The two children accused of brutally attacking a 5-year-old Cleveland girl in a field last year have been declared incompetent to stand trial. Annabelle Childers has been following that story and breaks down the new court order and what comes next.
Back in September, a mother reported her 5-year-old daughter had been sexually and physically assaulted by other children and then abandoned in a field. Following an investigation by Cleveland police, a now 9-year-old boy and 11-year-old girl were charged with 9 counts each, including attempted murder, rape, and strangulation. At their November arraignments, Judge Kristin Sweeney ordered the children to home detention, and she also ordered them to be evaluated by experts for competency. In late March, the findings of those experts were shared in hearings. We weren't allowed in the courtroom, but we did obtain these 2 court filings showing the judge found the children are not competent to stand trial. But she went on to write that they could likely attain competency with treatment. While the journal entry for the 9-year-old boy was fairly concise, the entry for the 11-year-old was more complex, with the judge citing specific testimony from doctors. She wrote, when asked about the charges in the complaint, she would answer, "Talk to my attorney." There was much testimony in which malingering and/or coaching was considered as a possibility. Today, I spoke to Michael Benza, a law professor at Case Western Reserve University, about what this means.
The judge thinks some of the child's answers were not really the child's answers, that the child was, in a sense, faking absence of knowledge.
In the journal entry, the judge states they plan to set a placement hearing for the 11-year-old girl. According to Benza, that hearing will determine whether the girl needs to be held somewhere else in order for her to be properly restored to competency.
It's not that they suffer from some mental health disorder that needs to be treated. It's can they then be put through an education and learning experience that they then can gain the skills necessary to go through these basically criminal proceedings.
The judge ordered both children into restoration services through the Cuyahoga Juvenile Court Diagnostic Clinic. After they complete that treatment, the judge says she will reassess their competency. Russ.
Okay, Annabelle Childers in the newsroom. Thank you.